Haleluya. Nikikubamba sana sawa. Uhakika wa maisha yangu ni kwa sababu ninakuamini Mungu. Huwezi niacha peke yangu kwenye giza nene, umekuwa nuru na kutegemea wewe na sio mtu. Mwanadamu kamwe hawezi kuwa Mungu, kwake siwezi weka tumaini langu, ila kwako Mwokozi na Mungu wangu. Niko na fomu. Ukipenda mafomu, najua si upenda cheap things, so situ chip in juu hii deal yangu ni free kama maziwa ya Nyayo, but we all know Moi pay the cost. So hii deal yangu ni kama counter ya super, but this time counter ni the cross. Usikubali kuoshwa, si tulioshwa kwa damu yake pale on the cross, akatupea salvation for free. Lakini righteousness ni kama ticket ya kingdom, safari yangu kutembea. I remember the day I got saved. Campus fellowship, tears, music. In that moment when conviction felt louder than pride. As I was walking forward, I was thinking I was leaving everything behind. The drinkings, the DMs, the cute guys, the version of me that laughed in public but was empty in silence. But wait, there came an invitation. I am the way, the truth, and the life. And I thought the journey would be easy, glamorous, beautiful, but they showed me to be righteous, but they never showed me the receipt. Waliniambia kuwa righteous itanifanya nikuwe beautiful, but they never told me it's expensive. Price tag yake it's too much high, and kukuwa saved it only required me to be renewed. Righteousness is all about flexing with my Sunday outfit and singing out my sweet vocals nikisimama kwa pulpit. But nobody told me about Fridays. Nobody told me that being saved is free, but walking saved is expensive. Everybody wants to go viral, but nobody wants to go vertical. The world inasema follow the vibes, but me itasema follow the truth. It's a must you leave your comfort zone, ndo mache yako ya comforter. Sikia, kufanya right thing is not an easy thing. It's all about choosing, but kama price ni blood yake, si life yetu ionyeshe value ya hiyo sacrifice. Manze kwa Russia si mchezo. The real battle wasn't outside, it was inside. It was not about having a position in Him, it was a daily decisions making in private. And that's when I learned the cost of righteousness. It's dying to the version of me that seeks applause in public. It's saying no to temptations, it's saying no even when the heart screams yes. It's dying to the version of me that seeks applause. It's staying in control even despite the desires of the flesh, and it's realizing that the only thing you need is a pure soul and nothing less. Si mchezo, you have to watch your friends become strangers to domestic na God found his strength. Si mchezo, it's you saying no wakati kila mtu anasema ni kawaida. Si mchezo, it's about you kutoka kwa dreams, kutoka kwa deals zenye unajua ziko na hidden darkness. Si mchezo, ni kuacha relationships unajua it's more temporary, your feelings and worse. Na wasi watakuangalia kama outcast. Si mchezo, watakutambuliwa kughost juu waseme umejazwa na Holy Ghost. Na lack. Nilikuwa na lack nikisema gold and silver belongs unto him. There are nights that were filled with tears. Nights that were so silent, but I kept on whispering to God, God, where are you? Will this glory ever meet me? Will the time ahead finally meet me? But I kept telling myself this is the cost of choosing righteousness. Kuna nights nimesema si ninaweza relax, si ninaweza compromise kidogo, si ninaweza fit, lakini usikii righteousness haibagei, haishuki standards to pressure imepanda na bei ya mafuta taa ikashuka, haigeuki shades to light, to darkness imekuwa popular. Kumbe kwa Russians ni kama Joseph. Say no to temptation with no negotiation. Choosing God over sin sensation. Ni kuwa kama Daniel, standing firm on your foundation and your faith, no matter the conviction. Ni kuwa kama Job, maintaining integrity at a time in tribulations. See, kuwa Russians at some point itapeka kwa place ya shoe ya Jesus. Perfect, blameless, but still hated when doing the right thing. It leads you to being rejected, persecuted, mistreated, but say, yes, this is all what I chose. Carrying discipline day and night, choosing the hard road over what seems right, losing comfort and letting go of all the pleasure just to stand for the truth. Everybody wants to go viral, but what happens when we meet in a vertical? Ikona God, soul, my words, my spirit, itakuwa seasoned with power and purpose. Even in the midst of this fracas, najua God bado atanibackup. See, I chose this journey, and so I must remain to be righteous, conscious, committed to the course, understanding that I was a candle lit tonight so that I can shed light to those still searching their path through the dark. Na kama righteousness is expensive, see, heri heaven and can receipt. See, he paid it all on the cross. Mi heri nilipie price ya truth kuliko nilipie price ya pretend. So every sacrificing way jua inalay a foundation ya eternal reward, having everything to gain and only self left to lose. So I'm not afraid nikisema niko locked in na God, juu mimi humuita my goalkeeper to heaven your goal. Hauhitaji kukuwa na bundles, alisema atakupea bundle of joy. Usikiwi hitaji kwenda majengo, siwadi yake itakutenga nini. See, I'm not afraid kusema zani inaweza kuwa difficult, inaweza kuwa ngumu, but si mbele tunaona success juu direction iko clear. Macho yangu kwako